Hey, what's going on? My name is Carl Figueroa. Um, this video it's going to be about all about Facebook ads. I'm going to create different videos about all Facebook ads, and I'm going to try to be as detailed as possible. Some of the videos are going to be just about certain sections of Facebook ads. I'm going to take my time. Maybe they're going to be long, but really, trust me, I'm putting the effort into this. Um, I'm not that expert, but at least I know the basics, and that way I'm sharing this with you for free for now. Maybe you're watching this and you're hearing the word free, but maybe I might charge for this information because it's gonna be a long, different video series, and I'm going to cover as detailed as possible. Not like other gurus out there just doing some crappy stuff and then you sell it for $1,000, $3,000. But at least you have an idea of how this Facebook ad works. So just bear with me. So different videos gonna be like different sections of Facebook ads, and I'm going to cover a lot. I'm gonna be doing video about audience insights, dark polls, power editor, custom audience, custom conversion, lookalike, pixels, catalogs, and more as I go. So let's start. The first thing you need to do to find your ads manager, you're in your home and your feed or your fan page. You go here, you go to manage or create ads, and then I'm going to start explaining you from left, top, bottom, and then we're going to go down and cover every single area that you see here, and different type of ads that are in Facebook. So right now I'm going in this video, I'm just going to cover the menu here. I'm gonna end the video and I'm gonna move on to a different video. So just bear with me. So right now you're looking at the ads manager. It's right here in your top left, ad manager. And these four menus that you see here, maybe when you're watching this, you're not going to see the same because these four are the most that I use are the one that I use the most. So maybe yours are different. But how did I get to show everything right here? This following the right here, all tools. These all tools will have different other four menus, five menus with a plan, create and manage, measure and report, assets and settings. So let's start from plan. Plan audience insights is where you could gather the information for any niche. Let's say you are going to the weight loss. So you go to audience insights and you put your niche, and Facebook will give you the age, what type of mobile phone they're using, um, everything that you could possibly imagine will be in the audience insights. I'm going to do a different video about audience insights like I mentioned before. So for now, let's stick to the menu. Creative Hub, be honest with you, I have not used this at all. But it's a new way to create the mockups for the ads. So you could share them with anyone, experience your work as like it's live. So you could play with that. I haven't used it. Be honest with you. Business manager, that's where you deal when you manage your business, all the fan page and so on. So basically, you're gonna run all your settings from your business on that tab. The ads manager, that's where we at right now. We are creating an ad, but I'm using the ads manager, as you can see in your top left. There are two ways to create an ad. You could use the ads manager, or you could create the power editor. This one um, is a little bit more. I will say it's easy to use, but it could be like more advanced stuff for some people. So if you're a newbie, um, just stick to the ads manager for now. But Power Editor is another way to create the ads, see the data, how your posts, how your ads are doing, and so on. Page post. Page post basically is a way to create a post from your fan page, but I'm gonna show it to you. But this is my fan page right here. So while it loads, the page post, I'm going to create another video about that. So just bear with me. The page post, any post that you create here will not be shown in your feed, in your fan page feed. Let's say I create a dark post here, a page post or dark post. Any post that I create here and you go to my fan page, you will not see it. So that's why the people that are only that you pay for the ads. If you're running, you should run ads to a dark post. We only see it, but if they come to your home, to your page, they're not gonna see it. So that's why it's called a dark post or page post. So app dashboard and apps helper is all about app applications and things like that. I don't mess with that stuff, but this is how you deal with apps and link to Facebook and so on. Automated rules for the people that maybe you're traveling or you're doing something for the day, you're gonna be away from your computer for some time. You could set up like automations and just if an ad is running bad, you could turn off. You set up the automated rules and you play with that. But that's more advanced. But everything it's like you learn by taking action and applying things. So you could play with that. Ads reporting is common sense. It's where some of the data will be and so on. Analytics, same thing. The events manager is where all the pixel, the offline events, custom conversions. I'm going to do a custom conversion video, how to set up the pixel, how to set up how to create a custom conversion audience, and so on. Partner integrations is where you connect the partner accounts your business uses for customer purchase, integrations, and management. I don't deal with this at all, to be honest to you. Audiences, this is where you create your custom audiences, lookalike audiences, and so on. And I'm going to create another video about this. Images, common sense, catalogs. If you're running a Shopify store, you could download that Shopify inventory that you have in a CVS file and then upload it to here, and but that's more advanced, but it's very easy to upload. So the audience is the same thing. If you have a bunch of different emails, you could create an audience based on that email list, and then tell Facebook, hey, create me a lookalike audience, in which I'm going to cover that later in another video about lookalike audience. Lookalike audience, let's say you have 100 people that purchased your service, then you tell Facebook, hey, Facebook, create me a lookalike audience for just similar to that 100 people that just purchased my service. So Facebook will create one based on their work environment, or where they work, how much money they make, if they like to purchase their just clickers, they like engagement, and so on. So that's why lookalike audience, that's where you really want to be. That's why you need to run the ads, spend money to get that data, and then get to that point of the lookalike audience. That's where your safe zone will be. Settings is more about setting all your account and adding your billing and so on. So that's it. So this video, just to recap, we just covered how to get to the ads manager, to the ads business account, and I covered about different menus that we have here. Now as we go here on the next video, I'm going to show you now in deep each part of the sections that are here, and then I'm going to break down my videos as we go. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and see you until the next video. God bless.